I just finished taking out the laundry of the Ntontoni. Like, I'm tired of hiding my hairstyle, but the maintenance video will be up, hopefully. So outside is hot and I didn't use these eye drops today, and I can feel my eyes. It's like I have small rocks or dust in my eyes. How are you doing today? How are you guys doing? And these are helping, these are helping me so much. They're really helpful. Like, my eye was swollen here. Every time I wake up it is swollen, but now it is better, but I can tell the difference. But if you don't know me, you won't be able to tell the difference. You'll think, oh, this is the way my eyes are, but they're a little swollen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to know when I post. So what happened today? We didn't have electricity since 2 a.m. In the early hours, in the wee hours of the morning, 2 a.m. they took the electricity, and we were at these lanes, and yeah, we just got electricity now at, what time was it? 1:15. My phone is at 30%, and for me that is low. I never let my phone reach below 50% because I don't trust Cupcake, I don't trust Swane, I don't trust them. So I always make sure that my phone, it is fully charged, or the battery is still good. It's gonna last me a whole day. Today's video, it is going to be a recap. We're just gonna sit down and talk. I'm not done doing laundry yesterday, that is why I did not continue with the vlog of me doing laundry, because I'm not done. See, I still have laundry outside. So we're going to sit down and talk about the whole Vlogmas recap. I really am enjoying vlogging daily and posting. I feel like it is making me be more productive when it comes to me posting on YouTube, because I used to not want to post but want to post, but at the same time not wanting. Like, I didn't have the desire to post, but I had the desire to vlog and all of those things, but I didn't have the desire to post, edit. I just did not have that desire. But this vlogmas, it really did make me want to post more, vlog more, edit more, and just expand in my editing skills, learn more. Like, every time I watch YouTube, it's all about learning. Every time I see someone vlogging, the way they edit, like the production of their whole video, I love that. I love how they put all their videos together, the people that I watch. And if you're wondering, I watch, it's Maya Love, and Victory Marie, and many more. But those are the beautiful ladies that I watch, and they're teaching me so much more, and they're just showing me how they are on different levels, and they are focusing on them in their own lane. And that is hard, like, especially when you're starting out, because of course you're gonna watch YouTubers who already are at the top. For them, they are still going, even though they appreciate where they are, but they are still at the top for you. And for me too, they're at the top. For me, they made it, and they are still going to make it. Vlogging made me realize, so I'm sorry if this is distracting, but I was outside in the sun. So that is what Vlogmas taught me so far is focus on your own lane and your own skills and the progress of everything that you're doing. It is teaching me a lot about content. It is teaching me a lot. I love to plan. I love to plan in my head and then write those plans down, make those plans. I love it when I plan a video, let's say a hygiene shopping video, because that is the most consistent video that I have started doing, and I enjoy editing it. Like, look at most of my hygiene shopping videos, the editing is different because I enjoy making that type of content. So Vlogmas taught me to be aware of the type of content that I love to make, and to not make every content just because it's content. So I love hygiene shopping, beauty. That is why I said I'm gonna have a series coming up next year on how to do makeup. So I am ready for that. I am so ready already. I'm planning the editing and all of that, and it is just so nice to plan something in my head and just watch it come alive, because I like, planning is a lot, loves. Planning is a lot. And I did watch videos on how to plan your videos, script your videos and all of that. This video is not scripted. You can see I'm everywhere. It was not scripted because I have a deadline and the lights were not here, and I was like, I don't know. Capcut, it needs Wi-Fi for me to edit. The editing, it is just not for me. In short, I use it maybe if I want to cut. If it is load shedding and I know horror, we won't have lights for 2 or 4 hours. I know horror, okay, I have this video, those hours I can edit, cut, and that's it. When the lights come back, I continue editing that video on Capcut. And usually I don't have a deadline of posting every day. Maybe I have to post on Wednesday and it is Saturday. I'm still okay. I'm not in a rush. So that is what Vlogmas made me, the type of content that I love to make, to appreciate the pace that I'm growing, to appreciate everything that I have, all the interactions, the subscribers. I might not be monetized, I might not do, because I'm only starting, and I've just started being consistent, because I used to post once a week, like Saturdays, and sometimes I will go and not post for a month or 2. And yeah, so I cannot expect for me to just grow because I started posting consistently for 2 weeks. That does not work like that. And it showed me how, for me to grow, I have to be consistent with specific, like if I want to do hygiene shopping, my first hygiene shopping video will not be that good, but the more I post that same content, YouTube will be like, oh, so this is the type of content that she's doing, let's promote this content to other watchers too. And that is what I've learned. Right now, the video that is doing good is me always going to ShopRite. If I mention ShopRite on my title, my video performs good, literally. So yeah, now I want to learn making content when it comes to cleaning. See, I only have one Sunday reset video, and I just started doing this because I cannot do a whole Sunday reset video because I have a day to record and post. I'm recording, I'm editing and posting, so I don't like the final product after I've finished editing and all those things. I'm not a fan, and I'm still learning the angles that I can use in my room, the bathroom, like everywhere that I am. I'm trying to change angles instead of me being where I'm always at. I try to change my angle so that you see something new, different every day. But this one will be the main angle, okay, for sit down videos. For now, I might change it, but for now, because there is a big window here, so it brings all the natural lighting. So yeah, and that is the type of content: hygiene shopping, beauty, healthcare, cleaning, being productive. That is something that I want to do. Maintenance videos, because I love all of those things. I love watching. I'm making content that I love to watch, so that even when I'm bored I can watch my own videos. Okay, that's what I want to do. If like, look at the type of content that you love to watch if you want to be a YouTuber, and go with that. Start with that type of content. So that is what Vlogmas taught me. And to the other thing that I've noticed is that me interacting with you loves on my videos, and not just make a video and post it. Most of my videos I was not interacting, I was only making a video. There was no interaction, no love, no anything that I was showing towards my subscribers. And now that I've learned, Tori, you have to do this. You have to interact with your watchers, your subscribers. And so even if someone is new, they're like, oh, I love her energy, I love this, I love this. So they know me, you know. That is what Vlogmas has taught me. And I'm understanding a lot of things more. I'm understanding so much. Like I was saying, I was always battling with the quality of my videos, how I was editing and all of those things on my previous video. This is the video. And Vlogmas taught me to not worry about that, okay? To worry about me and what I'm doing at the moment. I cannot compare myself with someone who started when they were in 8th grade. And me in 8th grade, I still wanted to do YouTube, but I didn't know how to start, where to start, where. Like, this YouTube thing is a long thing. Like, it's something that I've been wanting to do, but I always put it on, what will people say? How will I start? I don't have. Those were the things that I was doing, and that is self-sabotage. Like, I've been wanting to do YouTube. I remember I told my brother, I was like, wait, I want to do YouTube, and he was like, okay. I was like, all right. I'm sure he forgot. Maybe he forgot, but I've been wanting to do YouTube for a very long time. And yeah, I'm enjoying everything, the pace, all of those things. So if you're a new YouTuber, comment down below what you have learned so far, and what you're struggling with, and what you're trying to improve about yourself. Yeah, comment that. That is what I've learned. So every Sunday I will be making a weekly recap. This one it was just about me and what I learned, and it was not planned. It is everywhere. So the next video will be planned. I will have a script, topics of what I want to talk about. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't be depressed. Don't compare yourself to me. We are not on the same path. We are not on the same wavelength. You might start your YouTube channel and now you're like, okay, Mulobati said I should start, and you started, and you might wake up monetized. So do you laugh? Work on your own pace and just enjoy making content. I'm starting to enjoy making content. So please do everything the way that you feel comfortable doing. Don't compare yourself to me, to anyone, because that is self-sabotage. And yeah, you will hate making content, you will hate YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me talking. This was just out of the blue because today a lot is happening. And yeah, I'll see you loves tomorrow. So yeah, comment down below what you've learned so far being a content creator, what you've learned so far, just what you have learned. You don't have to be a YouTube creator. Your challenges, how you're working on them, what is your challenge, how you love to work it out, all of those things. Okay, so yeah, I love you all. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you love tomorrow. Right now I'm gonna finish doing everything, and yeah, I love you all. Bye.